If you want to learn something new about photography every week, you've come to the right place. On Monday, I do a quick video on a term, a technique, or a principle in around about a minute or two. So you get a quick fix, no faffing. Then on Thursday, I go a little bit deeper with tutorials, hints and tips, and investigations on everything photography and videography. If you can't find what you're looking for, send me an email or comment below and I'll see if I can help. Even though I've been shooting for over 20 years, I still find I learn new things every time I go out and shoot. So come and join me in learning something new.